Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Gather the files you want to send and compress large folders into A. Zip to keep structure intact. Once done, open Wetransfer. Com and pick the free or pro option depending on file size and features you need. Make sure to choose whether you'll send to an email address or create a link. This decision affects privacy and convenience. Now click Add Your Files and select them from your device so the upload can start. You'll see the upload progress bar. Watch for any failed files and retry immediately. Next, enter recipient email addresses or select Get a Link if you prefer sharing manually. Include a short message so recipients know what they are receiving. Make sure your sender email is correct. Otherwise, recipients can't reply. If you have Pro, set a password and custom expiration to control access and security. Once all options are configured, click Transfer to begin sending the files. When the transfer finishes, you'll see a confirmation screen and receive an email notice. You should also check that recipients get their notification. Copy the link if you chose that method and paste it into a message, making sure you explain where to click and any password required. If recipients report problems, ask them to check spam and try the link in a different browser. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail repeatedly, reduce file size, split files, or try a different network before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.